Hello, let's see the solution to weather observation station 2. It's an SQL question on HackerRank. Query the following two values from station table. 1. The sum of all values in latitude north, rounded to a scale of 2 decimal places. 2. The sum of all values in longitude west, rounded to a scale of 2 decimal places. We have the input format, the station table described as follows. We have ID, CT, state, latitude, and longitude. So the output result should be latitude, longitude, where LAT or latitude is the sum of all the values in latitude north, and LAN is the sum of all the values in longitude west. Both results must be rounded to a scale of 2 decimal places. So we are going to first find the sum of these two columns using the aggregate function called sum. So we are going to select sum of latitude north, comma, sum of longitude west from station. These are going to give us the sum of the values, and let's give it an alias as LAT, latitude, and this one as LON, longitude. Yeah. So we are also asked to round each values to 2 decimal places. For that, we are going to use the round function to sum the value of this sum function. So here we can apply the round function and round it to 2 decimal places. And here also, let's apply the round function, round the result of sum to 2 decimal places. Let's run our code. Yeah, and let's submit. It passes all the test cases.